and enjoy the tournament, honestly. Like I said, if you support my stream and you enjoy Coinbox is happening, like I said, there's more good news this year to come. And drop me a follow. Just keep on watching them. If you really want to go above and beyond, you could always subscribe or use your Prime. Use your membership on YouTube. Whatever floats your boat, man. All right. Let's go. We got bets up there, too.
3, 2, 1, go!
Scoreboard works. One of the most bizarre sing hits. How far away was that? I need to look at that hitbox for once and for all. It's so wonky. Anybody just memorize the hitbox, I'll be like so good at the game. Holy shit, I'm hitting so many things. So many things! Did viewership go up last week with no Sonics and Grands? Viewership come from... I'll keep it 100%. It was between double and triple the usual viewership when it's like Sonics and Ref. I'm not even kidding. It was pretty well. No, this was before Spark went plant. We had 4,200 viewers in winner's quarters. Just to give you an idea. Alright. Nice game one. Stage strike tool should work. There we go. I'm thinking we ban... I mean, it's Wolf. We'll ban Town and just PS2. Just keep it classic. Chat, there's a guy named On1111 in the chat who is so far... This has been his contribution to this channel. Let me show what he's got so far. Well, I want you guys to read this. What is your opinion on Me Balls? Me Balls? The Me Balls move. Jiggly Me Balls. Hungrybox Me Balls. Coinbox Me Balls. Pop off Me Balls. 5 subs and we will permanently ban this man from the Shadow Realm. Up to you guys. But I will accept 5 for a public execution. No doubt in my mind. Up to y'all. Okay, what am I doing? Alright, game 2. FD. Saint Heavens, it will not let me check in for my set. That's because you're not logged in. Refresh the page, log in. There we go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Will it work? Will it blend? I'm an idiot. I'm a genius! Haha, I fooled all of you. This was all part of the plan. Here we go. Oh, I'm feeling a good run today, guys. I'm feeling a hot run today. My back it was today. Oh, throwing a little bit. He got his down smash. Alright, let's stop mucking about, yeah. Let's get down. See stick. That's not what I wanted to do. I want to run up and down smash, but apparently not. Alright. Gotta lock it. I don't even want game 3. I don't want to think about this going to game 3 on my first round of the day. There loops. Please, God. Wait, the answer is sing. I must sing. It was like God himself whispered in my ear and told me the winning strategy. It was like he came down and said, "This is what you got to do." And I let it rock.